Hello everyone. Today we will see how to install the code blocks. Sometimes the graphics programs will not run in the code block. So what we need to do, we will see in this video. So first you need to install the code blocks. Here I am using code blocks version 16.01. So first download the code blocks version 16.01 and install it. So I had already downloaded it. So let's install version 16.01. Now this window appears when you click on the setup. So click next, then click on I agree, then again next, then install. Now the code blocks will get installed. So click next and finish. So now our code blocks is installed. So when you install this code block, now if you want to run the graphics program in the code block, it will not get compiled because you need to include the graphics.h file into the code blocks. So let's see whether our graphics file gets run into this code blocks or not. Now see, this is the window when I click on the code blocks. So now go into the file, click on new, go into the file, then click on new and then on empty file. So our empty file gets open. Now type the code. Okay, I will create one simple line code in here. I will write the code. So the first line will be hash include graphics.h. Then int main. See, I'm just writing the code for to check whether the graphics programs get run or not. So int gd, here gd means graphics drive. Gd is equal to detect, comma gm. Gm means graphics mode. We write gd is equal to detect because whatever the functions we will be using, it will be detect automatically from the graphics driver. Next is we have to initialize the graphs. So we have a method called as init graph. In that method we have to just give the address of gd comma address of gm comma 0. Here we need not give any path, so instead of that I have written 0. Then I'm just drawing a line. So to draw a line I am taking the coordinates as 50, 50, 100 and 100. So I have taken the coordinates. Then close graph is a method. Then return 0. So this is the program I have written, simple program. I will save this program. So whether you write the program in C or CPP, you have to save this program in CPP only. So I will give a name as demo.cpp and I have saved this program demo.cpp. Okay, now how to run these programs in code file? Go into the build and click on compile current file. So see, when I click on compile current file, now in the build message I did not see anything, right? See the down here below of this window. In the build message I doesn't see anything. So that this means the graphics programs are not been compiled. So what we have to do? We have to do is, see, now I will show you the steps to run the graphics program in code blocks. First, what we need to do is we had to set up graphics.h code.h in code blocks. So we need to take these three files, graphics.h, winbgim.h, and libbgi.a. So these are the three files which we required. In the description box, I will give you the steps to install the graphics code. Okay, and I will also give the drive link and the setup and these files in that. So see now what we have to do. I have already downloaded these files, graphics.h, libbgi.a, and winbgim.h. So now the first step will be copy the file graphics.h and winbgim.h. I had copied these files. Now go into the folder, go into the this PC and into the, see, we have came into this PC, then go into local disk C, then click on programs file x86. Here see the code blocks, go into the folder code blocks, then go into the folder mingw. In that, go into the folder include and paste the files. Paste two files, that is graphic.h and winbgim.h, which we have already copied. So now see, I had just paste the file winbgim.h and graphics.h. So these two files I have pasted here. Okay, so these two files I had paste here, graphics.h and winbgim.h. I have paste here in the include folder. See where I have gone. I have went into the program files, then into code blocks, then into mingw, and then in that include. Now next step is copy the file lbbgi.a. Copy the file lbbgi.a. So I had copied this file, and now go into the code blocks folder. So I will go into the code blocks folder. In that mingw, in that library folder, now lib folder. So open this lib folder and paste that file here. So I had paste the file libbgi.a in the library folder. Now go into the code blocks, open the code blocks. Now see, I had opened the code blocks. Now go into the settings. In that, go into compiler. Settings, in that, go into compiler. Then go into the linker settings. Now click here to the add button. Browse it and go to the file libgi.a, which we had pasted it earlier. So where we had pasted? We had pasted that in this PC, local disk C, in that program files x86, in that code blocks, in that mingw, in that lib folder, in that check the file libbgi.a, which we have posted, libbgi.a file. Now see, where is that file? See, here it is, file libbgi.a. Now open that file and click on OK. So see, the file gets added. Now the next step is, in the right hand side, you need to paste one code, and the code is See, this is the code. In the step 7, the code is given LBGI, LBGI 32. This all code you need to copy. So now what you need to do is copy this code, and again go to code blocks and paste at the right side. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now the next step is, students, I will add this documentation file in the description box. Okay. So here are the steps what you all need to do. Okay, these are the steps. So now let's run this program. Again, one more thing is go into the settings, into the compiler, into then go into the tool chain executables. Okay, and click auto detect. It will automatically set the folder if it is not necessary to do this. Okay, only you need to add the in the compiler linker settings. These two are the important steps. Here in the left side I have pasted the path of libgi.a, and here is the code from that text file I have pasted. So this is enough. Now how to run this program? Click on the build and click on compile current file. So when you compile the current file, the next step is to run the file. So it will take some time to compile. See, I will compile the file again. Click on build and then compile current file. My file will get compiled. See, there is 0 errors. Now again click on build and then click on run. See, the line gets drawn. Okay, so this is the simple program of computer graphics using code blocks. I hope you had understood it. See, what I have did is I had first downloaded the code blocks version 16.01. Then I had installed it, and to run the graphics program we need to do some settings. That is, we need to use the graphics.h and winbgim.h file into the include folder, then libgi.a file into the library folder, and then there are some settings for the compiler. So these are the some basic settings which you need to do to run the graphics program in the code blocks. So this is the documentation which you required. See, this is the documentation. I will post this documentation in the code blocks, in this description. So step 1 is to set up the graphics.h in the code blocks. Then extract and download these files, graphics.h, winbgim.h and libgi.a. You can download it from this site also. Okay. Then copy graphics.h and winbgim.h file and paste it into program files code blocks mingw into the include folder. Paste the two files into the include folder. Then copy the libgi.a file and paste it into library folder. Then go to compiler and linker setting, and then go to link library and click on add, and then browse the file of libgi.a and click on OK. Then on the right side you need to paste this path. Okay, you need to paste this line and then click on OK. Sometimes still the graphics files did not run to some of the PCs, then it may be the error in the graphics.h file line number 302. So replace the line number 302 with this. See the step 8 and replace the line number 302 of graphics.h file with this. If you get a error, okay, then only you have to do this. If it is working till step 8, then no problem. If there is error in graphics.h file, then replace the line number 302 with this line and save the file and done. Then run the code blocks. Students, if you are using the C program in the code blocks, then also you have to store that C program with extension CPP, means demo.cpp. That name you have to give .cpp. So the program is in C or it is in C++, you have to save the program in CPP only. Remember this. So I hope you have understood this installation of code blocks and how to run the graphics programs in the code blocks. So thank you so much.